All right, welcome everyone. And here we are. This is the beginning of the summer term, St. Petersburg College. And my name is Dr. David Hopkins, and I'm going to be your instructor for this class. I won't send out a video every single week. Just, as we get going here, I thought it might be nice just to go ahead and talk to you a little bit rather than send out huge lengthy emails on what to do as we start our short time together here in the summer 2022 edition. And so I think just like any course, obviously, one of the first things you need to do is go through the syllabus. And the textbook, it's Revel, it's listed. You can buy it electronically. All the instructions on how to get your hands on the textbook, that's all provided in the syllabus. Now, you're going to need the textbook. It is a required book for the course, but you do have a little bit of time. The publisher was kind enough to give us a couple PDF copies of the first couple chapters, the first couple assignments that you have. You can get by if maybe you're waiting for financial aid to come through or just getting your finances lined up so that you can purchase the book. You do have a little bit of time. Just make sure you have a look at that. Other than that, I mean, the class is really going to run like pretty much any standard online course. We're going to move top to bottom, left to right. You're going to have a series of discussion forums, some journal assignments, some reading assignments. So, I mean, there's nothing super unique in that regard, although you'll definitely want to have a look at the aesthetic experience project, which is a capstone that's due towards the end of the term. Don't want to spend a lot of time on that today, but, as the course is open to you all right now. So let's say you're trying to balance 2, 3, maybe even 4 online classes this summer. You can work ahead. There's no penalties at all to work ahead. So feel free to do that if that helps meet your schedule. But also just make sure you read through the introductory material. I think too often students kind of just glaze over the top of that. But really what that first set of information does, it makes sure you and I are on exactly the same page. And that'll pay dividends for you when it comes time to submit your assignments, that you're meeting the standards. Look at those rubrics, that sort of thing, because what you're going to find in this class, yes, the content is dynamic and it changes obviously from module to module, but the expectations as far as the grading go, they don't really change. So if you get that down right away, invest some time, invest 15 minutes, just read through everything really careful. I think it'll pay off for you in the long run. But other than that, this is just an introduction. Every week I'll send out a weekly update email to make sure you and I are on exactly the same page as far as what's due in that given week. And that there's no exception to that here. You'll get that in week number 1, and it'll come via your course mail. So be on the lookout for that. But also want to encourage you, if you have any questions at all, or if this is your first online class or your 20th and you have any questions, get those things answered right away as we get going in the semester. So email me. I generally this summer will be checking email every single day. So my goal is to always respond to emails within 24 hours. And, a lot of times I'm here, I'll be here when you need me, and I'll probably a lot of times be around even when you don't need me. So with that, welcome to the class. Good luck with it. And let's have a really successful summer together. All right. Take care, and we'll be in touch very soon. Bye.